Resurge is a fat-burning supplement that helps you to get deep sleep and burn excess fat in the body, which is 100% unique and contains natural ingredients only. You might be searching for a genuine Resurge review, then I am here to answer your every query. However, in a startling discovery by a health and nutrition specialist, John Barban, weight loss is intricately linked to sleep deprivation, which causes all sorts of imbalances leading to fat accumulation in the body. To counter the problem, John introduces the Resurge weight loss supplement, a capsule filled with 100% natural ingredients in the perfect combination that revives our human growth hormone HGH and helps burn body fat as we sleep. In this Resurge review, we dig a little deeper to find out more about the solution and answer questions like if Resurge really works or if it is legit. Resurge is a combination of natural ingredients that work wonders to rectify the shallow sleep syndrome plaguing a majority of people, men and women, today, leading to problems like weight gain, anxiety, loss of sexual drive, premature aging as well as other ailments. Resurge helps to restore deep sleep, boosting metabolic rate, triggering fat burn and reversing the effects of aging in just a few days. It is 100% natural, vegetarian, non-GMO and has no side effects. Let us discuss more in this Resurge review. So how does Resurge pills work? Resurge review proves that it works from the inside out, reversing the damaging effects of shallow sleep syndrome and restoring deep sleep, which then leads to fat burning. It is a fat-burning supplement that needs to be taken every night after dinner to provide the refreshing sleep that is so necessary to our well-being. The healing properties of the natural ingredients begin working on the cells and tissues of the body almost immediately. Some Resurge reviews of people who have used the supplement for just a few days have said how they had begun losing the extra pounds instantaneously, sometimes even overnight. Moreover, all Resurge customer reviews are positive only. Who can use Resurge weight loss pills? Resurge is for anybody who is looking to lose weight, delay aging and live a healthy life. It is for today's individual who is deprived of the regenerative sleep that heals the body, repairs cells and tissues and ensures proper body functioning. The supplement can be equally beneficial for men and women. Sleeplessness is mainly caused by age and lifestyle. 3. As human beings grow older, sleeplessness becomes a part of the normal aging process. When it comes to lifestyle, it is the technology that is stealing our sleep. The blue light of our phone screens keeps us awake, preventing the body from getting the deep sleep it so requires. Resurge is for everyone who is facing the damaging consequences of sleep deprivation. The main benefits you will get by using Resurge supplement are: the Resurge supplement helps to remove the toxic and harmful substances that are produced as byproducts of many processes in your body. It provides you a relaxed feeling in the morning by enhancing deep sleep. The Resurge pills balance your hormonal imbalances. The amino acid supplement enhances your total metabolic rate and burns out extra pounds from your body. Resurge side effects. The Resurge weight loss supplement is a 100% natural solution that has no side effects. In fact, it is one of the reasons that the people, both men and women who take the supplement swear by it. In all the Resurge reviews 2020 we came across online, people appreciated the fact that compared to regular drugs and medication, Resurge was completely free of any health risk or side effects. The one thing you should be careful with is to follow the instructions given by the creator properly. The instructions provided with Resurge supplement are: this product is mainly recommended for women and men above 40. People of age below 18 shouldn't use this. Follow the dosage as instructed by the manufacturer. Do not use these pills if you are pregnant. Ensure that the bottle is sealed while purchasing. People taking other medications do not use this product. Consult a physician before taking Resurge pills if you have any allergic problems to medicines. Pros and cons of Resurge weight loss supplement. Resurge review reveals that it is a weight loss supplement like no other, which addresses the problem of weight gain from point of view of sleep deprivation leading to fat storage in the body. The ingredients that make up Resurge are 100% natural and proven to heal the body. Resurge weight loss supplement review points that the creator of Resurge, John Barban, has personally benefited from the ingredients in the supplement. Compared to the other fussy weight loss techniques, this takes just a few seconds to pop in your mouth each night after dinner. Various Resurge reviews prove that the Resurge results are almost immediate once you took the supplement. Latest reports states that the pill helped many to regain their energy levels that they had when they were young. Cons of Resurge pills: it can only be purchased online at the official website. It is an uncommon way to lose weight by first restoring your sleep, in order to burn the fat in your body. The original purchase price of the supplement is quite high, and you can only get the best price during limited period offers at the website. Resurge price and discounts. While working on this Resurge review, we were surprised to find that the collective value of the ingredients that go into making Reverse Obesity Supplement is quite expensive. However, since John's mission is to spread the word about this healing product and make it more affordable to people, he keeps announcing promo offers on the website. If you are lucky, you can get the Resurge discount during these limited period offers and get it at a price of less than $50. At this price, you get the supplement for 90 to 180 days. For the time being, there is no Resurge bonus available. Normally, the price for one bottle that can be used for 30 days supply is $297. Now it is available for $49 as a special discount. They also provide 3 bottles and 6 bottles discount packages at $39 per bottle and $34 per bottle respectively. This special pricing will be available until the limited inventory runs out. You will never be able to buy Resurge dietary supplement cheaper than this value, and there is no offline availability. They will ship your order directly to your home or office using a premium carrier such as FedEx or UPS. If you are from US or Canada, you can expect your order within 5 to 7 working days, and international orders will take 8 to 15 working days and customs clearance time. In conclusion, one of the biggest problems facing us today is obesity and the critical health problems related to it. Studies show that people are falling prey to diabetes, heart diseases, and even cancer because of the fat that accumulates over time. In order to lose weight, people resort to all sorts of techniques that most often don't work because of one chief reason. These methods don't address the root cause behind the weight gain. John Barban's Resurge weight loss supplement identifies sleep deprivation as the root cause, which normally gets overlooked. He scientifically establishes the link between sleep and weight gain, showing how the Resurge weight loss supplement can solve the weight problem by restoring deep sleep. In addition, by healing the human body, Resurge dietary supplement also reverses the effects of aging, bringing back the youthful glow to your skin and hair. As the Resurge reviews prove, the people using the supplement have also commented upon its impact on their overall health. By helping them lose weight and look younger, Resurge has given them back their peace of mind, the joy in their lives, and even brought back the magic in their sexual life. If you are thinking all this sounds too good to be true and whether Resurge is actually working, then the best way to find out is to try it.